Hi guys, and welcome to another video in the month of VEDA, which is video every day in April. If you guys are interested in more videos like this and in this month, I will link my playlist for VEDA down below in the description box. Today we're going to be talking all about my favorite cleaning products currently. This is stuff I've been using for the last few weeks or few months and stuff that I'm really enjoying and I want to share with you guys if you guys are on the lookout for some new products. First off, we have these daily Lysol cleaning wipes. These are free from dyes, fragrances, ammonia, and harsh chemical residue. So basically I use this for basic cleaning of like counters and tables. Now this is not a disinfectant. If you're going to disinfect, I highly recommend you clean with a product like this first and then disinfect, because that's how you properly do it. But this is just for basic, easy cleanup. It's safe around kids and pets. If you guys are looking for something safe and easy and doesn't really smell like anything, definitely recommend this. Another Lysol product I've been loving is this Lysol laundry sanitizer. This is free and clear, so it's free from dyes and fragrances, just like the wipes. And it also has 0% bleach. This is for killing bacteria in your clothing. It kills 99.9% bacteria. Also in cold water, which I've been using cold water because I'm trying to save money on some bills. Also, if you guys do get this product or if you already have it, a lot of people don't know, it does say in the directions to properly use it, you need to add it to the rinse cycle. So not the whole cycle of your wash, but the rinse cycle. I have an older washer and dryer, so I can add it. I can open up my washer, add it, and then close it, and it will keep going. Not everybody has the option, so maybe look up what you can do or just add it at the beginning, but it will be most effective if you add it to the rinse cycle. And if you guys are curious about my laundry routine, I will link that video up below in the cards as well as down below in the description box where I talk a little bit more about this. My favorite product so far of this month, well, I guess last month, March, is this Silicone Sponge. I heard about this from Catherine Elaine's channel here on YouTube, and I will link her down below. It came in a 2-pack of these green ones from Amazon. And like I said, it is silicone. It still basically looks brand new. There are like a little bit of orange stains from like all the spaghetti we eat. But I just wash it in my dishwasher every few uses with the rest of my dishes. And it comes out looking and smelling brand new. And it definitely saves money on buying sponges all the time. So if you guys are looking for a new sponge to save you some money, definitely check this one out. Like I said, I got it from Amazon. I think I got a 2-pack for about $7. Now moving on to disinfectants. If you guys are watching this in probably the next few weeks that I upload it, we are going through some crazy times with this virus going around, so it's definitely important to disinfect. I know a lot of these products are not available since there's such a high demand, but if you guys are watching this later on and still need a disinfectant, I would definitely recommend these 2 products. First up, it's this Purell multi-surface disinfectant. It's worry-free around kids, food, and pets, so definitely safe for all of your surfaces. I picked this up a while ago from Staples on clearance, not really thinking much of it, but I'm so glad I did because I've been using it a ton. On the back, it says it kills 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and mold. There is no bleach, no harsh fumes or chemicals, and it disinfects and deodorizes food contact surfaces in 1 step. So how to safely actually disinfect is you have to spray this product 6 to 8 inches from the surface until thoroughly wet and let it sit for 30 seconds. There's different directions if you're just trying to sanitize, but it only takes 30 seconds to actually disinfect. A lot of products take like 4 to 10 minutes. So 30 seconds is much more feasible, and I very much enjoy this product. It does have kind of a strong smell, which I don't mind because then I feel like it actually cleans. I don't like strong smells for my daily cleaner. That's why I use like free and clear. But if I'm really trying to disinfect and really trying to get something clean, I don't mind the smell. So if you guys haven't picked this up yet or are looking for a new disinfectant, I highly recommend this. The second disinfectant product are these Clorox Scentiva wipes. I ripped the label off, but there you guys go. These are for like your Swiffer. You can probably use them for something else, but I use it for my Swiffer. And not only do I love using my Swiffer, it's nice and easy, but these Scentiva wipes smell so good. This is the Pacific Breeze and Coconut scent, and it is bleach free. Sanitizing this, you're supposed to mop and keep the surface wet for at least 4 minutes for it to properly disinfect. So usually when I do my floors, I mop over it twice. I did go through I went through over a half a pack just mopping my floors once. So probably not the most cost-effective thing, but since I am really looking into disinfecting at this time, I really enjoy this product and the smell is amazing. If you guys have any specific cleaning or disinfecting products that you have been enjoying lately, please leave them down below in the comments. I'd love to check them out. Or if you use any of the products I mentioned in this video, I would love to know if you guys like them as well. Don't forget to like this video if you love cleaning products as much as I do and hoard them. And don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning and organization videos. I will leave some extra videos down below, and there will be some videos at the end of this video. I feel like I just said video like 10,000 times. So definitely check those out. I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye.